Here is a quiz on sequences. It is normally the first chapter in discrete maths, sequences and series. Question number 1. Write next three terms in each sequence. A. 2, 4, 8. B. 9, 3, 1. I would like you to make a note of these, answer the questions, and then watch the video for solutions. Question number 2. Determine the first four terms of the following sequences. A. Tn equals to n square minus 1. B. Tn equals to 2n divided by n plus 1. Okay, here are the solutions. Well, 2, 4, 8. So how does the sequence go? It is 2, 4 and then 8, not 6, okay? So it is going by 2's. So we can write 16, 32, 64 and so on, right? The second sequence is 9, 3, 1. So as you can see from the pattern, if you divide by 3, you get the next term, and if you divide this by 3, you get 1. So therefore the next term should be 1 divided by 3, and so it is 1 over 3, 1 over 9, 1 over 27, and so on. Question 2. Determine the first four terms of the following sequences. Well, as you remember, Tn is the nth term. So if you put ns1, you get the first term, ns2, you get the second term, ns3, third, and ns4 will give us the fourth term. So let's try calculating the values. T1 equals to 1 square minus 1. So we can say 1 square minus 1 equals to 0, right? T2 equals to 2 square minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. T3 will be 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And T4 equals to 4 square minus 1. 16 minus 1, which is 15, correct? Now part B. Tn, so we'll write T1 here and replace n with 1. So we get 2 on the top, numerator, and 1 plus 1, we get 2 here, which gives us 1, correct? Now T2 is 2 times 2 is 4, get 4 here, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so we get 4 over 3. T3, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 here, 3 plus 1, 4, and T4 equals to 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 plus 1 is 5, correct? Now we have one more question on this page. Let me move the page so it's visible to you, right? I hope it's okay. Question number 3. It says, determine the general term. Like the general term we have given above, right? The two parts here are 3, 5, 7 and 1, minus 2, 4, minus 8. Now, to find the general term, our strategy is that we will give term numbers. So this is T1, right? This is T2. This is T3. And T1 is, the value of T1 is 3. Value of T2 is 5. Value of T3 is 7. And let us say we have a general term Tn. How should this be related? That is what the question is. Now, here we can see there is a difference of 2 as we move around. So as you move from here to here, there is a difference of 2, right? If you move, so 2 has to do something with it. So we will relate 2 with 1, the term number, and see, try to find the relation. If I do 2 times 1, I get 2. How will you get 3? Plus 1. Okay. Let's check with the other one. What is 2 times 2? 4. How will you get 5 plus 1? Same thing will apply here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it works, right? So we have to figure out a way in which we can relate term number with the term value, and that will help us to find Tn. Okay? So Tn here is, as we said, 2 times the term number. Let's check it again. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. So we can write this as 2n plus 1, right? That is how you'll find the term number. It is not always easy to find term numbers, so sometimes it can be tricky. Part B. Now here again, we'll do the same process. So we see term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. Now you also notice that alternate terms are negative, right? Negative terms you get alternately if you use like minus 1 to the power of n, right? So minus 1 to the power of n gives us negative numbers. But if I do minus 1 to the power of 2, I actually get positive, not negative. And here minus 1 to the power of 1 will actually give me negative, but the number is positive. So remember that. So here it is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. Since this even terms are positive, not the even terms are negative, right? Normally even powers will be positive, okay? That's one thing. Second, we also see, now as far as numbers are concerned, we are going up by 2's, right? 1, 2, 4, 8. So it is an exponential series in 2's, right? You get 1 as 2 to the power of 0. So I can write this as 2 to the power of 0, right? And then it is like 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 3. But the thing is, here we have negative, right? And here we have negative. If I compare with power, then it works fine. So I can find out a relation now. My relation is Tn equals to 2 to the power of n minus 1. So if I put n as 1, I get 1 minus 1 as 0. Do you see that? But minus sign, so I can put minus here inside the bracket. Do you see that? Now, if I have 0 to the power of anything, I get, so that doesn't work. Oh yeah, 1. Yeah. 0 to the power of anything, I get 1, which is correct. And this becomes positive. If I have n as 2, this is the second term. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 2 minus 1, 1. And minus 2 to the power of 1 will be minus 2. Right. So that is our general formula for part B. Okay, I hope you understand these questions. And let's move on to the next set of questions on sequences. Thank you.